Hello lovelies. So I totally forgot that I actually promised a video update of my bomb site I'm calling an art room. So ever get in one of those moods where you just want to reorganize and clean? Doesn't happen very often to me either, but I started in the house yesterday. I went through most of the cupboards and sorted it all out, and it's sort of carried into my art room. And if you're anything like me, you make more of a mess when you start cleaning. Yeah, it's a bomb site. Look, it's looking pretty bad. That's my rubbish pile. So yeah, so basically what happened is it started with my mixed media stash. So this here. Now, all of this used to be in these cubes here, and I was running out of room. I had to double up a lot. And in this corner, I used to have this. Now, this is just one of those cheapy sets. I've had it for about 10 years. When I first started scrapbooking, I had that and a desk. That was it. Now I have all of this. All of this. I've got 2 Calyx cubes, 2 desks. Oh no, sorry, 3 desks now. Will has claimed one. So I've definitely grown. Over 10 years, my supplies have grown from a desk that sat behind my lounge to an entire room. And yeah, it's constantly growing and I needed more space. So my mixed media things, as you know, I am very heavily into mixed media. It's all I do these days. And I outgrew the 4 tiny cubes I had for it. So I decided to replace that black cupboard with this one that I had over here and just put all my mixed media stuff in it. So now it's got its own little pretty place. It looks great. I love it. But then, of course, when I'm moving things along and shuffling, I redid all my stamps. Well, not all my stamps. These are just my art journaling stamps. They were outgrowing. My stencils still have yet to find a home. I'm trying to work out a system for that. It's driving me crazy. I did have the binders, but I don't like putting them back. Honestly, I don't like putting them back. I pull them out to use, and then I have to put them back, and it bugs me. So what happens is I shove them in just like that, and I end up with this big mess on my floor. So I'm looking for a new system for that. I'm in the process of that. But as I was moving things along, it sort of continued on, and I wanted to neaten up, and I've ended up with this massive pile of rubbish on the floor and misplaced furniture everywhere. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm attempting to restore some order to this lovely room I have. It's slow going. It's very slow going. My next order of business is this. Anyone else have a collection that looks like this? So these are, they're not entirely kits. They are, but they aren't. This is, let's see if I can find one that's out, because I know, here we go. Look, see, there's more. They're everywhere. This is the Creative Kit Club. Now, you'd think I'd take them out of the bags and put them away. But these are like, they're advertised as a craft class in a box. So they give you instructions for everything, using everything in the box. So I want to keep it all together until I get around to using them all up. It's not happening. So I really need to do something with this. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I can possibly do. I want to take them out of the boxes because it's just a mess. These are all just books from op shops that I collect to make journals out of. But yeah, look at that. It's tragic, isn't it? So what I need to do is I want to take them out of the box, but I need to find some way to store them. And that's where I'm at right now. And I remembered I was going to share an update with you all. Yeah, it's slow going. I started yesterday afternoon. My husband thinks I'm crazy because he went out to get dinner and he comes home and I've pulled apart another cupboard in the house. He goes, "Why are you doing this at 7 o'clock at night?" Because, you know, when the mood hits, you got to do it. Otherwise, it's not going to get done. So you may remember that a couple of weeks ago, I reorganized my desk. Oh, see, glare. Let's see if I can. There we go. You may remember I reorganized my desk a couple months ago, and that's going great for me. I love it. Not at the moment, obviously, because it's full of stuff, but I got plenty of space, and now I have this new little recorded little handly thing. I don't have my big wood frame taking up all my space on my desk, which I love. And yeah, so now I just want to organize the rest of the room, and that's what I'm doing today. I think I'm going to have to go get the boys soon, so I may have to take a break. But yes, that's where I'm at. So I would love for you to share your ideas for storing these. So basically it comes in a 12 by 12 bag like this. I need a system to store these. I want to keep them all together. I'm strange like that. I want to keep them all together until I've used them all. Another thing I want to try and figure out is those Aussie scrappers. Sorry about the glare. If you shop at the Reject Shop, you may know, not that one, the Reject Shop has these awesome little collections that we get now and then. The Reject Shop has these awesome little collections. You get die cuts, cards and stamps and things. That's what it looks like at the moment. Yeah, another mess. But again, I want to keep them all together. And I'm looking for an idea to organise them all. Things like this as well. Snap packs. So you've got your embellishments, all your cards. How do you store these? Hit me up with your ideas in the comments below. I would love to hear. And the same for all these little packets. When I open them, they just fly around. I need a solution. Help me out. So, would love to hear your solution ideas for that and also my kit boxes. So, help a girl out. Hit me up with some ideas, some organising ideas in the comments below. I do love organisation supplies and things. It really excites me. So, hit me up with your storage solutions in the comments below. I would love to hear them. So, that's it from me for now. Wish me luck. I'm about to head back in. Bye for now. See you soon.